So you've reached a point where pull is running smoothly in the internal aspects of your organization. Now you want to share those benefits with your supply chain. How do you do this? You extend knowledge to your vendors and subcontractors. Even more than that, though, you go and help them to implement pull. You see, in the internal implementation, we developed our pull system laterally, sharing it with each department and everyone inside of your organization. Now it's time to share it vertically with your supply chain. Since vendors typically want to ship full truckloads and large numbers of products, implementing pull and reducing lot sizes to the external supply chain can be a bit tricky. Nonetheless, it can also be highly beneficial to both sides of the supply chain. The key is to figure out how you can reduce the amount your suppliers and vendors are delivering and increase the number of deliveries they are performing. Over the next few modules, we will look at some important aspects you must consider when creating a link between your pull system and your supply chain's pull system. We'll see you in the next module.